Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to transfer money from Zelle to a different bank in just a few simple steps. First, open your Zelle app on your mobile device. Look for the option to send money, usually indicated by a $ or Send Money button. Tap on it to initiate a new transfer. Next, select the account you want to send money from. This is the account linked to your Zelle app where the funds will be deducted from. Once you've chosen the account, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check the amount to ensure it is correct before proceeding. Now, it's time to select the recipient's bank. You will need to input the bank account details of the recipient. This includes the bank name, routing number, and account number. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any delays or errors in the transfer process. Once you've entered the recipient's bank details, review all the information carefully to confirm that everything is correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Send button to initiate the transfer. Zelle will process the transfer, and the recipient should receive the funds in a matter of minutes. And there you have it! You've successfully transferred money from Zelle to a different bank. It's a quick and convenient way to send money securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.